Hi there, you guys. Hi there. It's me again, Pure Matube Dube from a Unifor Group. Okay, today we're gonna talk about Gravity Right, right? We're gonna talk about Gravity Right. Sorry. This tool is definitely a tool to know. Simply because of what it does and the great articles that it can create, how it can help in terms of research, creating outlines for your lesson plans, for your essays. You can create all those sorts of things with Gravity Right. So we're gonna click on start for free. You have a blog writer there, social media, which allows you to create a whole social media campaign basically, and then website builder, which allows you to create a website, of course, and resources that you can have access to as well. um, yeah, so you can learn blog tools, use cases. So when you go start for free, I think I am already registered here. I'll just check what it says. But when you go start for free, it should give you an option of logging in without being a member or something like that, right? So Gravity Right, for instance, even if let's say you have a YouTube channel or you're training people on YouTube, Gravity Right is one of those tools that can help you with ideas for that YouTube channel. Okay, we're gonna click on sign in with Google. Hopefully it's gonna recognize me. So yes, so with for that YouTube channel, and then we're gonna go to this email address, and then we're gonna go to continue at the bottom. Okay, where is continue? Okay, all right. So let's say you want to create a YouTube channel, right? Gravity Right will give you a topic. It will give you an outline of how that video must look like, and it will give you the duration if you want. It can help you with the tone that you need to set. It can help you with the tags. You know how you use hashtag X and that. Gravity Right is essentially good for those type of things. So when you register, let's set up your AI writing assistant. Okay, so it wants to know who am I, what do I do. This will help our AI identify your business and generate content. Business name, let's just say Midrand School. Okay, let's actually say Nizamia Midrand School, right? Okay, let's do this. Nizamia School Midrand. Yep. Then we go. I'm not using for business. I think I am. What's your website URL? Okay, let's actually do it like this. Okay, let's try and get the URL for Midrand Nizamia. Okay, we're gonna grab that URL there, copy and paste it, and then revert back to the software tool, copy and paste the URL, and then you can just click on continue. Then it's gonna say describe your business. What core problems do you solve? For whom? This helps I understand your fundamental values, your fundamental value proposition. Okay, so we are a Islamic school based in Midrand. We pride ourselves with delivering outstanding education to our students. Okay, something like that. Nice thing is that AI will correct it. It'll pick up these spelling errors and then it'll correct it. That's the nice thing about AI. It understands if you've misspelled something and it's not a big deal with it. Okay, what industry are you in? I would say education, and then we need to continue from there. What's your primary content language? English, that's fine. Okay, and then now we're gonna go to what products or services do you offer? Um, education, ed, edu, education, right? Description now, premium. Okay, we are a Islamic school teaching South African students with different perspectives. Okay, we are an Islamic school teaching South African students with different perspectives. And again, guys, I'm not gonna fix that spelling error. Got AI for that. Okay, so we're gonna continue there. See what it does. Okay, formal or informal. Let's choose what we want it to be like. Okay, let's say formal, right? Let's say formal. Formal, strongly formal. Brand colors, you could choose that. That's not important. Okay, must we choose a color? Let's choose a color, make it reddish or pinkish. Yeah, that's fine. Done. Okay, complete setup. Let's see. Okay, so all of that was just basically for it to understand what we're trying to do, what it is that we'll be expecting from it, and what responses will expect it to
It's Monday
deliver to us.
morning, and you've
Okay.
got 12 clients waiting for
Okay.
your content.
We'll cancel that. We're gonna cancel that as well. Yeah, guys, these softwares they do charge money, but luckily for us, they do allow you to work on like trial modes. So here, these are the tools that you could use on Gravity Write, guys. You could do an AI blog writer. You can create blogs there and articles, and then there's image generation whereby you can create visual images for your class. There's social media for you to post. There's AI text that is humanized, basically AI that sounds like human, as you could hear. So and then there's YouTube tools, your shorts and reels creator, your YouTube script creator, your title and thumbnail ideas. So title and thumbnail ideas. It's what I was saying earlier on, that this tool can allow you to create a title and a thumbnail idea that will create viewers, that will attract viewers on YouTube easily, right? So this helps out with that, with giving you great thumbnails that can attract people. Same applies to the YouTube script creator, that you could feed the system, and then it says exactly what you have fed it. And then there's social media tools. You can generate social media posts, hidden fact finders, an AI tool that provides you with a list of surprising facts or your chosen language, and so on. So yeah, guys, these are all the benefits that you could come across when you're using a tool like this, and this is also very helpful when it comes to made SEO tools. I've used it myself in some of the website that I've developed. With regards to, you want a meta title and description that will be attractive to the Google algorithm structure. This is your guy. This helps you out with that. Clickbait title generator, a tool that crafts catchy clickbait style a blog post, tailored to boost your ranking. So this is just attractive articles, attractive content that this tool can help you out with. Even long tail keyword generators, which are basically words that can help people find your business or find the school. Create a topic. You can create a topic from scratch. Image prompts. You can create logos, and logo ideas. Sorry, from this as well. But what I wanted to um, focus on regarding Gravity Writer is the blog AI blog writer. I mean, I can imagine school teachers will want research material, or they'll want to write stuff, so this can be easily done using this tool, by saying write new blog. It's going to ask a few questions, enter the title, uh, let's do that, uh, education and AI, education and AI, right? So create a blog using AI. That's the source we want to use. And then what language you want to use, English. And then you can just generate your free blog post. Just that easy, guys. Just that easy. It's crazy. Oh, wow. So as a free user, you've reached your one free blog generation upgrade to generate more blogs. Nah, I don't want to do that. Okay. So, okay, I thought it was gonna generate one. Did it just leave us hanging like that? Okay, so yeah, basically it's just that easy. It's just that easy to generate a blog, guys. Um, but more than anything, should you guys want to create videos that you can upload on Google Classroom, or your own website and stuff like that, or your YouTube or your social medias, this is your guy. As you can see here, when you go search, there's a whole lot of tools that pop up. Rewrite article, plagiarism free, AI detector, and then paraphrasing context. That just means restructuring how something looks, or how a text or a passage looks. And AI image generation prompts. AI image generation prompts. These now are prompts. So this is another thing that's really interesting about Gravity, right? It helps you out with prompt creations, and we know AI is about prompts and using prompts. So this is the benefit of this tool here, that it's actually very sharp when it comes to creating prompts. Even if, as you can see, it says making tools, meaning you can create as many prompts as you want to create, like a pretty lengthy video, and stuff like that. YouTube script creator, it covers you on that as well. Blog content, LinkedIn profile builder, that's really interesting this year. I think it's something that people should look into. Rewrite article, extreme bypass. Also, students need to be taught and told that they're gonna have more of these tools now, and they need to be smart and not cheat, because uh, they won't be able to learn if they are cheating. They won't learn as effectively as they should. I mean, these tools are gonna make them not very smart. So yeah, so there's AI film script writer for films. Imagine title and thumbnail, and thumbnail ideas. We spoke about that earlier on. You know, blog title generator, human written blog, rewrite article, professional headshot image prompt, for if you want a professional headshot, movie trail script, text improver, writing assistant, meta title and description, SOE tools. So these are pretty much what we've went through. Resume writer. Um, let's look for features that are more beneficial to educators, actually. Niche idea generator, maybe this is something that teachers could use as well. Domain names, they don't need that. So it's YouTube idea and content planner. This is what I was talking about. Literally creates a whole YouTube video for you without you lifting a finger, basically. And then there's the shorts and reels creators, a Facebook post, YouTube branding tools. I feel like, yeah, this is very handful, guys. You can even create kids video script generator for kids. So you can even create a script for kids, and it would come out in a voice that is friendly to kids, but passing on the message that you want them to receive as the educator. Facebook ad copy advertising tool. Facebook ad copy. I think if that's what it said, some of these tools are really new, guys. They like literally new. Facebook ad copy. That means you can copy an ad and paste it here and create something similar. It's as simple as that. Product description for your e-commerce tools, and then Google ad copy. That's another one. And then there's the long tail key generator. This is just for SEO tools as well. Creative homepage for your website if you want to create a website, and then 3D animated text to video prompt, right? 3D animated. This is another great tool that you could use for that. And I think I had a teacher that asked me when I did an AI workshop at Nizamia. They asked me if would animation be doable, and yes, it is. Let's say, what is your book about? Uh, kids growing up healthy. Let's just throw in that there. That's what the book is about. What category does your book belong to? Let's say nonfiction. Yeah, create content. Okay. Oh, this is a book idea generator actually. Okay, so we clicked on something else, not what we wanted to click on. Okay, so let's try and go and find what we wanted to click on, the 3D animation. Okay, we're gonna have to go all the way down. 3D, 3D, 3D. Yeah, 3D animated. Okay, that's what we want. I can close that. Okay, so story title: Kids growing up healthy. Right. Create a cage. Oh, kids growing up healthy. That's what we want, right? Yeah, that's what we want. And then enter a story. A lost puppy hatches a ride or hot air balloon. No, kids that grow up playing soccer or any other sports are likely the most healthiest. Yeah, most healthiest. Okay, I think that's it. Enter your character summaries. Please describe your movie character. Young kid growing up in a poor area. Okay, let's see. Let's go down. Number of shots required per each scene. Let's say just 3. Save and continue. Okay, save and continue. So this is the process of just creating these 3D animated videos or characters. And then we're gonna go choose what you want to create. Video prompt generator. Okay, let's do this. Also, we can view it, right? Okay. All right. Okay, yeah, we need to pay the subscription actually. Okay. Yeah, so you can do a video prompt generator that's just gonna generate a prompt for the videos that you wanna create. Same applies to a script generator, which you could create for your videos, whereby whatever it is you want the avatar or the chatbot to say would come through that script that has been generated, right? Um, yeah, that's the thing, guys. On this, we need to have a paid plan as well. But yeah, basically Gravity Right is a good tool because of all the services that it offers. I mean, the functions that it offers. So I would really highly encourage everyone to just try it out there. It's really a good tool to try out. I think that's it for me. I've spent enough time explaining this. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye.